Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious custard porridge using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Also, have 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt ready. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Now, let's start cooking our porridge base. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of milk, and a pinch of salt. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the oats become tender and the mixture looks creamy. Next, we will prepare the rich custard. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it is smooth. To prevent the egg from scrambling, we need to temper it. Slowly add a small amount of the hot porridge to the egg mixture while whisking continuously, then pour it all back into the saucepan. For the final step, continue cooking the porridge for just 1 to 2 more minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember, do not let it boil after adding the egg yolk, as this could cause it to curdle. Once it's perfectly creamy, your easy custard porridge is ready to be served warm. Enjoy it plain or with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.